Hi guys, this time I want to talk about the batteries for the car, and in front of the camera you'll see the two batteries I ordered, and they're both the same. But first I'll show you in the book what it says about batteries, and it says right here that we can use a 2S or a 3S LiPo battery, which is a lithium polymer battery with an XT60 connector. As well, this car has two battery compartments. Just going to show you in the book. This is the back of the car, and this is the back battery compartment, and this is the front battery compartment. With all the changes we did to the car is a lot heavier at the back than the front. So I just want to drive this car with a battery only in the front bracket. So I'm just gonna show you inside the car both of the battery compartments. Here is the back compartment from here to here, and this is the front compartment. Now I'm gonna shove in a battery in the back. So sorry for the camera movement, but I have to do it with one hand. Just like that. So the battery is fitted, but we still have some space or left over for even a bigger battery, which is about the size of my finger. As you can see there. Hope you'll see it. Yep. So this battery compartment is a lot bigger in the back than the front. And I'm gonna put another battery in the front, and let's just fit it right in between those inner fenders. Well, you know, I was looking for a good video which size of battery we could use for this car, especially for in the front. And I was looking at this bracket, which is the body support bracket. You know, it comes in the middle of the hood. And I thought, well, you know, the height doesn't really matter as long as we're underneath this bracket. But that was actually a small mistake I made, because I'll show you the body. Like this bracket will hit this point on the hood, and then of course it will all go lower and lower, and right here, underneath right here, is the battery. It's the lowest point of the hood. So I fitted the battery in, and I couldn't close the body, you know, attracting the magnets together. So I had to make a small modification, because this was just a couple of millimeters. So I cut off the sides of this tray, which was actually going up onto the inner fenders. So there was thick plastic here on top of it from this bracket I took off on both sides. So the battery could, you know, rest on the tray and on the inner fender. Placed a small foam block so it doesn't slide from left to right. And then we're just enough clear to close the body so that the magnets as well were catching it. As you can see, it's all catching. But you know, it's just right on the money, and it shouldn't be 1 millimeter higher than that. So I'm just going to show you as well the measurement of the battery that I've got in the car right now. So I'll show you, it's in centimeters and in inches. Hope you'll see. So I've got lithium polymer battery, 50C, 6200 MAH, a 3S battery, 11.1 volts. And of course I'm gonna, make a parts list in the comment section, so there you get the idea. And as well, I placed another battery right there, as you can see, and this is just for checking how much voltage there's still in the batteries. So I'm just gonna connect one to the car, so I'm just gonna do it with one hand. Hopefully I'll get that done. Here we go. So it's in like that. Made as well a switch to turn it on and off. And if I turn it on, you can read, I hope you will see it with the camera, 12.5 volts. That's what this battery has. And in the book it says, 3S, that's what we have here, that the ESC only supports 2 or 3S lithium batteries, but up to 12.6 volts input. So we're good, all clear. And as well, we need to charge these batteries as well, so I'm going to show you the charger I ordered as well. There's this charger, and it's a lithium polymer balance charger, as you can see right here. And I ordered, for safety of course, a LiPo safety bag to put them in, or to transport them, or even actually when I'm charging them I put them in there as well. If something goes wrong you can grab it and throw it outside. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. So if you want to order a battery as well, use it in the front. This is the maximum size you can use for that, by modifying the front compartment, taking these two sides off, so it's all level now with the bottom of this, with the inner fender. So there's the lowest position the battery can be fitted in there, and place a small foam or rubber block, so it doesn't really move from left to right anymore. And of course we can still use this strap, as long as this connection is just over this curve you have here, because otherwise it will touch the hood. That's how close it is with this battery. But this is the largest I could use, as well for weight in the front. And of course I labeled them number 1 or 2, so that I can separate them for charging and usage of course. And the small check for the voltage that's still in the batteries. It's very handy. Just placed it right there. Made a switch to turn it on or off. So that's it for today. And thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe of course. And leave a comment. And if you got a question you can ask me as well in the comment section. And I will make a parts list as well, so you'll see what I ordered, the charger and the batteries. Well, that's it for today, and see you the next time. Goodbye.